Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.22. Let's take a moment to examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.94%. This equates to an average return of 1.97% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, suggesting that further declines are likely. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 27.88% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 36.53% to a decrease of 23.17%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 23.48%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from an increase of 11.55% to an increase of 84.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $175.23 and $289.48. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline: Taiwan Semiconductor stock price ended at $157.08 on Friday, after gaining 3.94%. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price gained 3.94% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, rising from $151.13 to $157.08. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.10%, with a low of $153.25 and a high of $158. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 4.94% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares traded for approximately $2.8 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $226.40, while the lowest price was $125.78. Currently, the price is 30.62%, or $69.32, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, often referred to as TSM, is currently facing significant fluctuations in the stock market. Today, the stock experienced a rebound of approximately 4.5% following recent sell-offs caused by broader market turmoil related to tariff announcements from the United States government. Investors had been uneasy due to these tariffs, which contributed to a considerable decline in the market. However, sentiment shifted positively after indications of potential tariff relief for countries other than China. Despite these short-term variations, TSMC continues to demonstrate robust fundamentals. The company reported an impressive 42% increase in first-quarter sales, spurred by soaring demand in the artificial intelligence sector. This strong performance positions TSMC as a crucial player in the AI boom, further solidifying its status in the technology market. The immediate rebound in TSM stock may indicate a renewed sense of investor confidence, particularly in an environment where high-quality tech stocks are being perceived as undervalued amid market chaos. In the short term, the momentum from today's gains could help stabilize the stock price as confidence builds. Nevertheless, potential long-term effects will depend on the continuing tariff situation and its impact on TSMC's relationships with key markets. If the company can effectively leverage its market position, it is well-positioned for sustained growth, likely attracting long-term investments that could elevate its stock price even further. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned TSM a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM an underperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 19th of July 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy rating with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $171.49. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $151.24. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025. And thus far, it has risen by 11.11%. Additional increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $146.80 and $146.17. There is an inherent risk when a stock approaches a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to decline to the next support level. In this instance, Taiwan Semiconductor has support just below today's level at $146.80. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $146.17 and $141.37. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, the stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.75 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 3.10%. Throughout the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.02%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $158.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $146.80. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the fluctuations and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of April, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor will open lower by 97 cents, beginning trading at $156.11. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.